Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan Rajniti. Today's topic is Nehru's approach to nation building and the integration of princely states of Hyderabad and Manipur. First of all, we shall discuss about Nehru's approach to nation building. As the first Prime Minister of independent India, Nehru had to tackle various challenges in the way of nation building. His approach was flexible as well as rigid. In his Tryst with Destiny speech, he emphasized the enactment of a constitution which would provide opportunities for personal development of all people equally. During the partition and the resultant communal conflict, Jawaharlal Nehru sent a letter to chief ministers of all states to uphold Hindu Muslim unity. In that letter, he expressed his strong desire to provide security and rights to the Muslims residing in India. To prohibit interference of foreign countries in India's nation building process, he proclaimed that it would be treated as unfriendly behavior if any foreign nation recognized independence of any princely state. Because we all know that uh, according to the Mountbatten Plan, the princely states had three options. They could be independent, they could either join Pakistan or India. Integration of Hyderabad. Hyderabad was a princely state ruled by a Muslim ruler called Nizam Osman Ali Khan. Nizam was one of the richest person of the world during that time. He wanted Hyderabad to be an independent country. He signed a standstill agreement with India in November 1947 and negotiations were carried on with India side by side. In the meantime, the people of the Telangana region rose in revolt against Nizam. They were dissatisfied with the oppressive rule of Nizam. The Hyderabad Congress took the lead of this movement. Nizam responded by unleashing his paramilitary force known as Razakars. The Razakars murdered, maimed, and looted the people, particularly the non Muslims. In such a situation, the Indian government sent the army to Hyderabad to end these atrocities on people. Finally, the Nizam surrendered, and this led to the integration of Hyderabad into India. Integration of Manipur. Manipur was a princely state ruled by Maharaja Bodh Chandra Singh. In 1948, Manipur turned into a constitutional monarchy with an elected legislature. The legislature of Manipur got divided on the issue of accession into India. The state congress demanded integration with India, but other political parties opposed it. However, the government of India succeeded in pressurizing the Maharaja into signing a merger agreement in September 1949 without consulting the popularly elected Legislative Assembly of Manipur. This caused a lot of anger and resentment in Manipur.